Before I begin this meditation, I just wanted to take a minute to say thank you. I am overwhelmed by all of the subscribers, Patreon supporters, and the wonderful comments that I get to read every single day. Thank you so much for your words and kindness. I really enjoy making this content available to you, so please check out my free meditation guide on my website. And of course, keep on watching and meditating. Again, many, many thanks. And now, a meditation on healing, mind, body, and soul. Allow yourself to settle in to a comfortable spot. And as you do, pull your shoulders gently back just a bit and rest your hands comfortably. And as we always do, bring your focus to your breath and that gentle pull in and out, comfortably and naturally. Noticing and feeling that air movement through each cycle. If you like, you can take a few deeper breaths. And each time you exhale, allow the tension in your muscles to gently melt away, little by little. And if you like, as you're focusing on your breath, just gently rotate your neck a bit, just to loosen and stretch those muscles. This is your time. It's your time for self-healing and self-reflection. Often we feel the pressure on ourselves to do so much, whether it's in our careers or in taking care of our families, or even just trying to improve ourselves. We pressure ourselves to do right in the world and avoid making mistakes. Of course, we may recognize that we are all imperfect, and hitting challenges and roadblocks in life can cause us to move away from a place of peace and contentment. Taking this time will give you the opportunity to bring healing and focus to yourself, and thus be more prepared to excel in your tasks and commitments. Love for yourself is just as important as your love for others. And take the next minute to bring focus to yourself, your mind and body, and let each breath feel refreshing and new. Now that you are bringing that healing focus to the forefront, Just repeat these short phrases after me, either out loud or in your mind. Love for myself. Healing for my mind. Care for my body. Stillness in my soul. Presence and peace. Focus on those words for just a few seconds. And now I'll ask you to repeat after me again, but this time turning our thoughts outward in a manner of loving kindness. Repeat after me. Love for all. Healing to all. Care and compassion. Presence and peace. Great. These words must not just be spoken, but believed deeply within yourself. You must first build the foundation of stillness within yourself, and you will discover that it then passes along to other people that you come across through your presence, through your good deeds, through your kindness. Now let's bring that focus back to yourself and repeat after me once more. Love for myself. Healing for my mind. Care for my body. Stillness in my soul. Presence and peace. Now just give yourself one more deep breath, allowing all remaining tension and anxiety to melt away. If you like, take a few more minutes to focus on these words that we brought to our attention today. Go forth today with a sense of healing instilled within you. You will exude compassion, be present, and feel at peace. Mindful Peace Journey.